Lowry's pork.
Look, girl.
What kind are they? Hot and spicy.
Hot and spicy.
What were you saying about these?
Bacon curls?
Bacon curls?
They ain't no pork rinds.
They ain't no normal pork rinds. Because these are bacon curls.
Sounds yummy. How are you supposed to cook them?
I don't know. Microwave?
Shake bag. Microwave. Oh, don't forget to watch.
Shake it up. Set power on high for 1 to 2 minutes. Cooking time may vary. How many minutes?
1 to 2. 2. Bam.
That's 3 minutes. We gotta stop.
No, it's not.
There, stop. Start. Hook rinds.
They're not even bacon curls. That is just the name of the company. It's tricky. There's pork rinds. Bacon curls. Getting big. Watch it. Watch it. Do not leave undisturbed.
Do not leave undisturbed. How many minutes?
That was 1, 2. All that goo. Damn, that's a lot of goo.
They feel like something. Take a peek.
Ooh, they're hot. Ooh, they're crackling. Whoa. Listen to that. Pop and crackle.
Pop and crackle. It's got a pop.
Got a pop and a crackle. I hope it comes through. Smell good.
Wow. Okay, I'm gonna go for this crispy one. Look at this one. I don't even know what's going on here.
Tastes like a warm pork rind. I like that.
They're still snap crackling. They're actually really, really good.
No, they are.
Got a little bit of spice.
They're fluffy.
They kind of smell a little bit like BO. Look at this one. Yeah, a crispy one.
100%. And then you got the fatties. You guys are big.
It's like Freddy Krueger's skin.
Look at that. Look at all that goodness on there. Yummy.
So this was $1.
That was a little strong.
This is cheaper than a bag of this size.
That's better.
Pretty sure, right? Fresh made on the microwave.
They're warm. I think we're gonna eat this whole plate.
This is a pig's skin.
That's tasty. I can't wait to try brains. I think we should just do the whole pig. Every constituent part.
We should build a pig mannequin out of all of this. We can make the skin out of this part. We can put some ham in the middle.
Oh, that would be weird.
It's like styrofoam, but delicious.
Like styrofoam to me wouldn't be right. It's wrong.
It's like popcorn for cannibals.
It isn't human flesh, but yeah, it's tasty.
Pigs didn't stand a chance.
Got the big one and the little one. Slightly different, but both so good.
They're not too spicy though.
Oh.
I'll be honest.
They have a little kick in the back.
Can't say they're spicy though. There's a hint.
They're spicy.
Oh wow, that one popped. They're like meat pop rocks. I'm gonna hold one on my tongue.
Won't work. I'm not gonna pop again.
There's a little crackle. A little. There's a little crackle. I'd eat these for breakfast. Put them on some eggs.
Are they paleo friendly? We got 2 grams of fat. Not very much fat. 10 grams of protein though. That's a lot of protein.
I give 2 thumbs up.
Yeah. Delicious.
Is this how you do it?
Look at that. We got 4 left.
I got these 2.
Ah.
2 thumbs up on that. Chicharrones, microwave
Delicious.
pork rinds, Lowrey's, bacon curls. Yum.